How to recover deleted Facebook photos. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook. Log into your account. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply click on three lines on top right corner of your screen. Then you'll find all these options pop up. Simply scroll down till you find Settings and Privacy. Then click on Settings. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Account Center. Then simply click on Personal Details or Your Information and Permissions. Then click on Download Your Information. Then click on Download or Transfer Information. After you've done that, simply select your Facebook account. Then click on Specific Type of Information, and then make sure there is tick mark in Saved Items and Collections Post, as some pictures may be from Post. Then click on Create Files. After you've created files, it will be recovered in a file where you will find it in your Gmail you have chosen. And this is how to recover deleted Facebook photos in 2025. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.